Hi there, I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This one here is the Cassidy Crossbody with studded diamond quilting. Now, if you're looking for a bag that's going from a day to evening, this is definitely one of those bag. It does come, as you can see here, with the chain link straps. It's about 22.5 inches drop, shoulder strap right here, and it's kind of adjustable. It's fun thing right here, and it does come with the silver color hardware. As you could see here, it has like a Coach wording on the front, and then it has a silver color hand tag on the side, and you could see beautiful details here. I'm gonna put it closer. And let's take a look. And it does come with the smooth leather. Here, this color is what they call the wash red. And on the back of this, it does come with a slip pockets that you could put your cell phone and whatnot on the other side. And this is the smooth bottom here. And that's with chain link. You could see the fun thing that you could use this way, or you could tie up one way or the other. And let's take a look on the inside, shall we? And it's a turn lock on the front. It has another slip pockets on the front here. And then let me pick up all the paper. There. Much better. On the inside here, it has another slip pockets on one side, and then it comes with a velvet linen lining on the inside here, or a really dark color linen lining here. Let's compare this one to the size of the let me close this up. Well, you need some stuff, it will not really kind of close. I'm just going to leave it like that. Compare this to the size of the water bottle. As you can see, it's not quite as tall. The dimension of this bag is about 9.5 inches in length. It's about 6 1/4 inches in height, and about 3 1/4 inches in width. So, if you enjoy this bag, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.